We are in Luwunggesik at the morning market on Monday. We're going to walk around and let you check it out. So this guy's got a bunch of tools, things to cut in fields, replacement parts.
Morning.
It's different fruits and vegetables. Everybody for the week comes to the market. Clothing, lots of clothing. Sandals, everybody wears sandals. Play spot for the kids. She doesn't know which way to go with that motorcycle at this point. Here's a bunch of different prepared foods everybody's happy to see this morning.
Iya, jadi kita ke memet, rasa gerak, shopping, sama viral.
Some more things for the kids to ride. Fruit and vegetables. This guy here wants to ham it up here in a minute. You'll see it. He's happy to get on board. This guy's butchering chickens. That's what he's offering. See the chicken feet there.
Yung iPhone 7 ba? iPhone 7.
The new one.
No, it's Pro Max.
Yes.
Some more clothes. And there's somebody selling all kinds of odds and ends. I guess this lady has fish first. The fish lady. She's got a bunch of cooked fish. And here's the odds and ends. A lot of different stuff. More guys just selling all kinds of odds and ends. Things they think people might need. Some more prepared stuff. Stuff he's going to put for you right there. And some clothes. She doesn't want to be on camera.
Morning.
This is the iced tea guy. It's called es teh in Indonesia. This is all kinds of plastic stuff, and this is baked goods. More food to be put on the grill on saute sticks. Dry goods. Clothes. And more vegetables. used to be primarily vegetables and food with a little bit of condensed mixed in. Triple. Kitty ride there. Kids busy. Fried food. A lot of fried food. A lot of fresh vegetables.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, ya ya.
Good morning.
Hello.
Alright, so it's a good morning. Different stuff to offer. A lot of clothes, a lot of food. I saw pre-cooked things. Not really sure what these are, but they got pretty colors on them. And then here's a bunch more odds and ends.
Yang nasi datang terlambat ya. So boleh beli pagi lagi ya. Jangan sampai upacara sudah.
Alright, then I'm going to fly the drone over the market and let you see what it looks like from above. And then at the end of the market, we'll fly above the village and let you see around the area. Enjoy. I'm going to put a music track on now.